What we're in is a series of negative news cycles, right? The scandal came up about 6 to 8 weeks ago, moved the stock lower. Then we understand that the DOJ is looking into it. There's a lawsuit with Abu Dhabi. Then the Federal Reserve announces they're looking into it. And now we have Malaysia taking action. You know, the question is this the end? And probably not. We'll probably see more negative headlines. And each time these headlines hit, it's going to put more pressure on the stock. We have a host of countries and regulators looking at Goldman now, and that's never good.
I'll ask you, Ed, the same question I've been asking about Johnson & Johnson and these new revelations. How much of it is fundamental worries about the company, its liabilities, its reputation, and how much is just all of this negative news is hitting in what more and more people are calling a bear market?
Well, liabilities is one area. You know, today, if we look, Will, you said over $3 billion. You know, estimates out there were around anywhere from $2 to $4 billion. I think, you know, everybody would have to at least look a little bit north of that. In addition, reputation is a big issue. Does this affect Goldman's ability to get business with other nations as a result of this scandal? I think they're working hard to maintain that business, but we don't know until they don't get it.
Ed, how long do these things typically rumble on for? I mean, comparing it to the Wells Fargo scandal, which of course is a very important difference that we should note that one of the company admitted wrongdoing, the other one, Goldman, so far has not done so. But clearly with that issue, that's rumbled on for 2 years. It's still stock price suffering because of it, because of increased costs and various ongoing internal reviews. Is it possible this could take that long, or are we talking a total different ballpark?
Oh, I think this can easily take 2 years. It depends. You know, when we look at Malaysia and they're assessing criminality, I think Goldman has to defend that to the end, right? Either they reach a settlement with no criminal wrongdoing, or they're going to go as far as they can through the courts to defend themselves. So this could easily go 2 years, go longer. And it's not just in Malaysia. You have the Department of Justice. Those investigations clearly take 12 to 18 months before they begin to wrap up as well. I think 2019 will be a choppy year. Probably at the middle of the year, the news cycle will settle down for Goldman.